Our team at the Global Humane Conservation Fund of Africa has just supported the veterinary procedure for 2 Cape Mountain zebras here in the Bushmans River Biodiversity Corridor. The Cape Mountain zebra specifically is very important because it's a subspecies of zebra which is endemic to South Africa, meaning it occurs nowhere else on the planet. The other important factor of today was ensuring the well-being and the welfare of these animals. These 2 particular zebras, with their overgrown hooves, were struggling to walk properly. And now that their hooves have been trimmed and shaped properly by Dr William Fowlds, they will have a much better quality of life. And we will be monitoring their progress to ensure that they don't need further procedures.
We are dealing with a species here, Cape Mountain zebra, that was on the verge of extinction about a century ago. The numbers dwindled to literally tens. We're not even talking about hundreds of individuals. And for that reason, they've come from a genetic bottleneck, a very small population which has now grown to several thousand. And then they've been distributed into various areas, including this one.
The really exciting thing with the Cape Mountain zebra is that basically through public support and moving these animals to many private reserves, we have been able to increase numbers. The large majority of those animals have actually come off Mountain Zebra National Park, but the challenge that brings is that we're sitting with a very small genetic nucleus that is spread across the landscape.
What Global Humane are doing in this area is helping us drive that process of expanded habitats, and we're in a very exciting phase, I think, not just for Cape Mountain zebra, but for many other species. Getting big systems, genetics, water flows, catchment areas, and migration routes to get going again. Very exciting, very challenging, and we need a lot of help. So we're very grateful for Global Humane for coming to our aid and being partners in this process.
And today's operation has taken place in the Bushmans River Biodiversity Corridor. And this is a very important project that we are participating in, and we'd like to thank our partners at the Conservation Landscapes Institute and Wilderness Foundation Africa, and also a big thank you to Dr William Fowlds for donating his services today in order to rescue these animals.